In the previous tutorial, /posts/rust tutorial async Tokio / we learned async programming with Tokio. Now we dive deeper into channels, the primary way async tasks communicate with each other. Let's break it down. mpsc, multiple producer, single consumer mpsc is the most common channel type. Many tasks can send messages, but only one task receives them. Think of it as a queue where multiple workers add items and one manager processes them. One-shot. Single value one-shot sends exactly one value. It is perfect for request/response patterns where you send a request and wait for a single response. Basic one-shot, the sender can only call send once. It consumes itself. Broadcast. Everyone gets everything. Broadcast sends every message to every receiver. When you send a message, all active subscribers receive a copy. Basic broadcast notice. You create new receivers by calling tx.subscribe. Watch. Latest value only. Watch is different from the other channels. It does not queue messages. It always holds the most recent value. Common patterns. Fan-in. Multiple sources to one channel collect data from multiple sources into a single channel. Graceful shutdown. Use channels to coordinate shutdown across multiple tasks. The worker listens for both its regular work and a shutdown signal using Tokio. Select. When the shutdown channel receives a message, the worker breaks out of the loop. Pipeline pattern. Chain. Multiple stages with channels. Each stage receives from one channel and sends to the next. Choosing the right channel here is a decision guide. I need to send many messages to one consumer. Use mpsc. I need a single response to a request. Use one-shot. I need every subscriber to see every message. Use broadcast. I need subscribers to see the latest state. Use watch. I need backpressure. Slow down fast producers. Use bounded mpsc. I need fire and forget sends. Use unbounded mpsc or broadcast.